Energy.
Formula energy.
Yeah.
I mean, I am feel it formula no.
Okay, no,
So what you be you see what formula energy.
Formula energy no wale oh yeah.
I know akasa den kakra.
Original musician are free enzima. So yeah. Like me yeah commercial music.
Okay.
I'm mostly focused on the original music. Yeah, this is formula energy. And a musician from
Enzima.
Yeah.
And yeah, Enzima. Yeah, tree for the IS Enzima.
Where the other body be provided a common croma.
Okay. It's you with the Ankasa Ben, our mamma, no papa at the amount.
Midi any dado.
Any dado.
Yeah. Hope Pelly.
Full name.
I'm Hope Pelly.
And any idea at the mount.
For sure.
Oh, yeah, sure.
For sure.
And now the cool school.
Where, yeah.
Engineer here, a Ghana education register.
Oh, for sure.
Oh, sir.
Me ko na sek, me ko bukas baba na sek kaswa here.
Kaswa here. Oh, not as also a crab boy crab. Now on Yenzima and yeah, basically for Enzima, we both a crowd when you are crying and tete or crowd.
Yeah, for sure.
So how did you enter into music?
Well, I think we'll be our the account, but
okay.
I think music is my life. You know? I've been doing it since then, but every time I say me the be studio and I'm in a commercial. So that's why I'm doing it now. So
yeah. And see, not just a one and you to no shall see time way.
Oh, me shall say check but studio, me studio base 16 years in it.
Oh, sir.
Oh yeah.
Not just a one year never cry.
No, I've been grinding since then.
Okay.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
I've been grinding. But say Adni original is how to buy original.
Okay, yeah.
So in terms, Medicaka say me original musician from
Enzima.
That doesn't mean say me different from anybody. But I speak my own language. I do me. I don't follow trend. That makes me original.
Right.
And so I say me.
Okay. They say me on our interview and
when I interview me, but I just want to explain myself.
Right.
We say Ito phones and iPhone.
Samsung ne other brands.
But the in our market pa.
iPhone ne Samsungs ne.
No, but Itel between Itel and iPhone.
Okay.
Then you come on market.
Oh, make an iPhone.
In the market, Itel and which one is so which one does the customers consume a lot?
Okay, I learned Itel
for sure because only affordable.
Yeah, I will be able to.
So I said because on iPhone is expensive, internet 17, but I've been grinding since then.
Since then,
for sure.
All right. It's your first tracker was starting 16 years into music. You know how many tracks is it out? How many tracks are out?
You may be my be but for now, no, like me pushy A, you know. Yeah, the might be countless.
Or first track out the babons in a track of it.
I think my first track. Sir,
I
think me and my man, Abigail.
Oh, yeah, man. I'd Abigail, I'm all broken.
It wasn't like that, but now that was the concept. I was talking about lady, but I chose Abigail. Yeah,
so it wasn't something like about broken heart and as a baby.
No, it wasn't something like that. Just like
when you're broken heart, you crown with that.
Then the economy so, and I'm in my dear friend, broken heart.
TBCBA and Tewakumada.
Oh no, they be like last. I said everybody will chop breakfast, but you know me now.
So yeah, me to the organizer compared to the time I'm in France, I say broken heart and as a BBC na unya and then next is you are a bit popular. Men can say popular.
Yeah.
CC.
Okay.
Girl no respond this thing.
There wasn't any girl like that.
Okay.
But I wanted to talk about woman. So I chose the name Abigail.
So it's not ladies. Purposely for a certain lady.
No.
But it's a kind of music
sure.
you did. All right. Until what day what is next?
Well, me music no. School na music in the Demiko because I've been doing it in the house. But me do school na me say I say me do studio na me in the commercial.
Yes.
So me started at music, you know, but pay music more than book nanga.
Yeah,
for sure.
Into school do na kakra de okoy.
Oh no, Form 3. I was in Form 3 way like the pressure about too much. My mommy was like, "Oh, go school na you." Then time on TV, I'm back TV Africa, Sound Splash.
Yeah. So I'm sure being reality show now.
So I was like, "Man, you need to do me too much. That pressure and so feed through. So okay. And I'm choosing back. But I focus on the talent then. Yes.
If you say school, they own Kobium.
Oh no, I think school no. The biggest school is on the street.
Okay.
Yeah.
Who school need their street in the school?
Yeah, for sure. Now
okay.
I'm in the school of nature. It's in the street, and that is that the street is the classroom, so I'm on the street.
And what type of genre or you know a genre be?
Well, I don't particularly fall in one genre.
Okay.
Because I used to say I am music because it is inspiration. I do high life, hip life, reggae, dancehall, a lot of two. I don't know how you can classify me. So I call myself music, but not even musician because yeah, it's like that.
Okay. It's not just all the only other baho.
No.
Oh yeah, hip life.
I do music.
Yes.
I don't do Afro pop. I don't do
okay.
rap, but I do music.
But when your collaboration, because and Kamia say a ba esro na nzima hona aya munchede nya collaboration when it comes to collaborate. How is that thing happening?
Well, it's hard. The media is not paying attention to the Izima music.
Oh, okay. So you blame the media for
sure.
Okay.
So like I want to change that narrative.
Okay.
I say Izima no kwechre. Ita medical yes example no face no. I say Izima is expensive. It's like iPhone.
Okay.
That is why they are criticizing it say unkwechre. But if you can buy it,
criticize it.
no, it's like say miniska me to iPhone they say you understand. I feel like, but if you can buy, you will not see that. So it's expensive language. I can say Ghana, my dialect is the most expensive language.
Oh, sir.
Yeah, seriously. Because on I want to mean to all the languages are common, but my own is not common.
Okay.
Yeah, and me did in 2 countries, so my language is expensive.
Who designed it anyway?
Yeah, it's the only language you can find in Ghana and Cote d'Ivoire.
Oh, sir.
Yeah.
Cote d'Ivoire for
yes, we have palace in Cote d'Ivoire. Okay. Even the biggest palace in Cote d'Ivoire is in Nizima Palace. And that chief rules the whole Cote d'Ivoire chiefs, Ivory Coast chiefs.
Okay.
So me kasa no ya hino wo 2 countries. So
and yes, all person now you're
No. I'm not talking about me. Okay. I'm talking about where I'm coming from. So because I'm portraying my culture, where I'm coming from.
Right.
That makes me original and different from the other artists. Yeah.
Okay. And he said the old John who say an Enzima Kasa very expensive.
Yes, for sure. You can buy. It's not common in the market, so they have to pay a lot to.
But only so be how Kasa no ferret because when say mini madam for be Enzimani or can't Enzima Kasa one said one who have more country na na send in am in China. You now own your back when I'm doing say Trinum Sana Enzima Kasa. It's your no who say your best training in or camp.
How? Excuse me, then he said disease. Why do you feel like my language is like no? Me in Nzima, all the languages in Ghana are found in Nzima.
Okay.
Obia kasa wa Nzima. Yeah, we were Nzima. Yeah, you were infant wa Nzima. We were true Nzima. So why do you say
yeah? In fact, kasa na ntwani ntwa on music career and so. Enti o near collaboration wasem. O near popular artists be a collaboration.
Popular artists well, many popular artists in Ghana or in Ghana.
Because only popular artists were Ghana.
More popular. But I don't do all my rounds in Ghana. Okay. Me artists are only 2 countries.
You Ghana, into you can Ghana.
Yeah, correct. I feel I can.
All right.
Yeah,
can Ghana same.
Ghana
popular artists in Ghana here.
No.
Now say yes.
It's not like Mempe, but I'm coming from somewhere. A process.
I hear you. I hear you.
Almost Makaji.
No way.
Takra the beach.
It's any Ghana sem. So na yen fa Cote d'Ivoire asem no enfan to baby.
Okay.
Enti wa approach Ghana artists be, I mean big popular artists be for collaborate.
Not yet. Many too much was sound. That is my condom song. Too much
Janka Town. Yeah.
Because he's a movie fame guy, so into me classifying as a musician.
Okay,
like that,
okay.
So. But many know dance condom produced by Willis Beat.
Right.
Yeah. And currently I'm working with. Currently I'm working a lot.
You are working.
I think tonight if I'm going.
Any EP or maybe album out?
Yeah, I have my EP in the stores. The Enzima EP is in the stores.
Tracks are in also.
I think it was 4. 4. That's the EP, 4 tracks.
Or first EP I will release here now.
The studio album is there before this. Yes, the studio album is there before, but it isn't my first EP. Yeah.
Albums are in now. They have albums.
No easy. I think it's not in the stores yet.
Okay. Inti on person be doing
yeah.
Match. Inti after say unyi wakra na isi odo hu ewura anyum to when you regret be say anyu to ekwa da isi am because wa won se mu no ka se wan shada on ko school and do achiri bibiri
yeah
ana you say odi ba me bisa say uru anyu to when you regret bi wo
never
okay
because even my classmates not like my classmates, my teachers, they are proud of me today.
Okay, your
because,
teachers.
Yeah, my teachers.
They
thought I'll fail. I'll fail in life, but no. Right now, some of them are paying to watch me.
Now, sir.
Yeah, for sure. Oh yeah. Sure. It's real.
Yeah.
Because you pay to watch shows.
Right.
Whether you're a teacher or a minister, you pay. So what is it?
Into biggest show I performing show be.
Biggest show.
Biggest show. One who say we see so we there. What biggest show?
Cote d'Ivoire, on Ghana.
Sir.
When I am in
I don't believe Ghana fans now. I believe. Don't you believe in Ghana? I mean, when it comes to music.
No, I believe. I believe the word, not Ghana. Okay. But it's like.
But I want to say, yeah, the free baby na ko baby o.
Yeah.
But I say, okasa mu nyina no, ya ko ye say Cote d'Ivoire, o feel Cote d'Ivoire.
No, me feel Cote d'Ivoire. The only thing is, excuse me, marketing.
Okay.
It's me the product ni come market.
Okay.
I see me home baby I'm customers.
Yes, any strategy no.
Yeah, for sure.
It's a strategy no. Matching foreign.
Yeah. It's not in foreign, but Nzima is normally found around the borders of Nzima, across Nzima and Cote d'Ivoire.
Oh, right.
It's me I say.
Baby me.
Yeah, for sure. So when I'm finding customers, me consumers, you know.
Into biggest show about Cote d'Ivoire na show be.
A cinema via beach.
Sir.
Yeah.
And on a concert ben.
A cinema via beach no.
Beach.
I think next month Kramiko.
Obesa alcohol.
Yeah.
Okay. Na Ghana hands way. What are you shows for Ghana ha?
What me tabo shows
no performing SHS ne you know.
SHS well but me both shows and
I
think you follow me me YouTube channel
okay, into any project I also dey aba eno ho enkomo. Project ben na dey aba bontin sisi e.
Oh, one year, many for me. Like a surprise, like an amazing, like a new man, me, a lot of elements. Me, they shame me to like to make it able for everybody to relate, even if we a pastor, we a street boy, we a white crowd, pastor, club, be related because me can't send me very bomb, so I cannot say well.
So, so we a when it's wash.
Well, many switch two things classified here.
When it's wash, I say opera, your castle opera.
No, so what castle opera? Me who the opera.
It's two things and anything.
First, me is smart and I'm a rush. Which one?
Okay, we are smart.
That one is cool. Even if you say I rush, I any pana dream. I say William Shakespeare castle. Me say.
It is your Obishia no catch us or Russia. Reply when I with me.
It's cool. That is how the person sees me. Oh, like me nipa. Inti. If you saw back on but I feel like people look up to me, so I have to know how to react. Yeah, people look up to me to do things.
But also role model anyway.
I mentor myself.
All right.
Yeah, me and I'm a role model.
Okay. The video na video I mean
that is a music video.
Okay.
Yeah. The reason why I'm saying like me mentor me when say me legends when it's my music. That's me way. Okay. But they did high life, hip life, way about. Right. The style I'm doing is a new style. Okay. That's what I'm saying. I mentor myself. Nobody's doing what I'm doing.
Inti enyo no efade ho.
Inti I'm saying a society no.
Okay.
No me no.
All right.
Then I'm saying me blending with the problems.
Yes,
I entertain you, I advise you, I educate you, I also heal you because there's a verse saying you see to I'm Johnny Baka ba ben.
It's motivation ben now the channel and you are now the try music video. Motivation ben now.
The society inspired me to write this song. Problems I may find there. Things are like normally who say I have to educate people on this. Like okay, let me entertain them with this, but let me advise them with this. With me na shame. Until I make quote verse be said there's a verse in the song saying you see to I'm with the America.
And she camera and my freestyle kakra.
So well, the America be so just
okay.
Besi mula ba for follow be for speaker for follow bit ya na hanki your correct pejesa it in bobat sama hwene ya twi yakuyi otiti anyile besi manzan ze bilen ayi sambele ye ma milen se amura mamu kure yiren zurele to biri ngandi no kon kale le bayo nya ne bejike danzanwo ye flow tending atwebu anu kwan wadon ye juma ke ojike ni yonyuru mandi wanzie mamu no kodole pri ahinche BCK beat the me party me need your cable still yet the bucket. Punch in the fleck with tell wale. And then the Jiria Karamwale. Bokwama yet the search the baby all the time.
All right. Yeah, for me feel vibe no pan. I mean, my power sent by force. My power sent. It's anyway will be PB. Music now they have autumn. A good social media and I say free streaming platforms will be to
but you were the tone and they were the but who come handles no so they copyright age more so but me din formula energy
me cry my kai kwan men so na offer so a promotion.
Well, social media like you are able to reach fans.
Okay, so on your no or the ban now they are come TikTokers
I don't give my music to TikTokers.
Oh, and oh your cassette.
No, me cassette. It's like me, I believe in organic traffic.
Okay.
What I'm doing is not I don't me one time hate na me pay. A lot of people and I say no me diagro. I say TikTok is more diagro, but TikTok I see like it's a fast food. I call it like a fast food, a junk food. Okay. Small time then go spy.
Junk food, and not just I call it Indomie.
Yeah, for sure because.
Thank you.
And you know, the moment I been hyping from TikTok, the next song about TikTok I bet trending than it will kill that one.
Okay.
That is the only secret.
So you don't believe in TikTok?
I don't believe in. I believe in organic promotion. I believe say what time you say na could dim what such Charlie some guy be dance might be wado and then you go follow me up. That person go like that. But the TikTok my mother no get TikTok.
Okay.
But there are old ladies in the house who they film my music like wow.
But you know Hana this TikToker lady Asantwa Bekansan he say TikTok is ruling everywhere in Tini. So yeah, musician one found you amba Ebeka or the Ebeka them. Reply ben I'll be to me the man Asantwa so show.
Me I would say I'm sorry for Asantwa.
Okay.
She's young, she just came, she don't know what he's saying. Oh yeah, for sure. But even TikTok that by how many years? So almost I'm saying Asantwa herself is young in the industry.
All right.
In the showbiz he's young. No, he's young. So he doesn't know where the traffic started from. Okay. He just came to meet it. So like, oh, this app, he just got followers. So, hey, Charlie, but no, it's not that. Go and ask those who started before.
Started somewhere.
Not even Facebook self but the whole Ghana we accepted Sarkodie. Yeah. So it's just like somebody they go through education where they talk me from for liver like no you say your food they give you for school no good.
Formula energy. Oh cancer. Not just the Asantwa kind
oh no the junk for sure be junk. It is just the play plus. Oh no he's trying to upper customers. So she's creating panic to some of the artists who don't know what they are doing. So you go rush them, give them your song, then you go chop your money. By yourself,
also charge 5,000.
That be him, but not me.
They are a year radio DJ and a TV presenter, and I say journalist be some promoting you.
Oh, that be only a mom rent to hear the one car. Oh, yeah, yanka.
It's a Santua on training some sense.
Oh, for sure, and
Obi per se or social which are quite or Malbani show, so I mean to say event to be a